Yo, ladies and gentlemen, I feel happy to share a review for Gundam Calibarn HG today. I feel curious about what's inside the box. It could be disappointing, it could be amazing. Let's find out together. As always, my trusty AI assistant, Avery, is here to help.
Commencing data analysis.
Avery, can you at least pretend to feel excited? We are talking about Gunpla today.
Emotional response module offline. The EX01 Gundam Calibarn made its debut in episode 21 of Mobile Suit Gundam, The Witch from Mercury. Piloted by Suletta Mercury, it played a crucial role towards the end of the second season.
This bad boy rolled out of the Bandai factory in July 2023, and it set you back a cool 2,000 yen.
Standard market value for plastic components.
Hey, you are killing the vibe. It's a Gundam, not a paperclip. Let's talk about the manual. The manual is surprisingly clear. Even I, as a beginner, can understand it. Let's say something.
Basic instructions provided.
Let's see what kind of plastic magic we're dealing with.
The model kit includes 9 runners and 1 sticker.
Part E and F allow 2 alternative pyramid score decoration choices.
A collection of plastic parts.
Let's start building it. Alright, let's build this thing. I'm feeling like a real Gundam pilot.
Commencing assembly simulation.
Come on, relax. Let's have some fun with this.
Emotional response module offline.
Well, I thought it would be hard when I look at the runners, but it turns out to be quite enjoyable and relaxing.
Minimal user error detected.
Check this out. It's like looking at the real Gundam. Minus the giant rubber part.
Acceptable aesthetic appeal.
You are starting to sound like broken.
Subjective opinion varies by individual. It is 76 grams. The height is approximately 14.5 centimeters, about the height of a soda can.
The head mobility was great. (360 degrees for waist rotation. I love how they design the arm. It's great. The lower part was extremely flexible too. This is great compared to general HG model kits.
Acceptable range of motion.
I think it's more than that, man. Reliability. This is solid and reliable. It's standing strong like a champion. No wobbling allowed.
Structural integrity maintained.
Well, that was fun. The HG Gundam Calibarn. is a solid kit for any Gundam fan. What do you think, Avery?
Functional plastic model.
Avery, you're breaking my heart. Can't you give me a compliment?
Emotional response module offline.
So what do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Viewer engagement encouraged.
Catastrophe approaches. A mother's love. A desperate gamble. A daughter's destiny. Forged in fire. Cursed power. A perilous path to redemption. Would she succeed? Or consumed by the cursed power? Gundam Calibarn HG.